extremely windy today. But, you know, you've got to get out and test these things. But about 3-4 weeks time, I've got a cycling trip organised. Got 3 days, 2 nights, sort of cycling, bike camping on the canals down in sort of Yorkshire, South Yorkshire, I think it is. So that hopefully, if the weather gets any better, we've had nothing but wind and rain, and you know we need a bit of sunshine. It's trying today, but not very good. But as I say, it's always good just to be out. This was the old like municipal golf course in town. It's not that anymore. It's now just a nature reserve. So just giving the bike a good little test. As I said, change the hub, had to reset the gears. They were a bit slightly out, so a bit of adjusting. Might have to do a little bit of nipping up when I get back. But yeah, all seems good. So hopefully the next time you see me out, I'll be on this bike packing trip, sort of mid-April, well, early to mid-April, weather permitting. We've got a window, we can move it, all depending on the weather. Hopefully it's not too bad. As I say, I'll have the panniers on. I've got a new bivvy to try out, so trying to keep it as light as possible but still have comfort. Anyhow, we'll see you on that trip hopefully very soon. So thanks for watching. Yeah, so changed the hub for the Hope one, the Pro 4. Seems to be okay. A little bit noisy, but to warn pedestrians that I'm coming in.